Hi friends, in this video I want to go over a few different reasons why someone would choose to do a home equity loan. Okay, so a home equity loan is basically a loan that we take out leveraging the equity in our house. Okay, and the reasons that people would do it is because I have a low interest rate on my house, right? If you have a 2, 3, or 4 in front of your mortgage rate, then you're probably sitting in a pretty good position for equity and also for your payment. And refinancing and taking cash out of that house would change the entire loan to the current rates, which are much higher. So when you're in that position, doing the things you would normally do with the equity in your house isn't available because you're kind of hostage to that rate. So the solution is the home equity loans or home equity lines of credit. Now, a few reasons why you might do that is maybe your insurance carrier came out, maybe they did a little drone over your house and said, hey, your roof looks shady. We need to uh, put on a new roof. Okay, you have 90 days to put on a new roof or we're going to drop you. So that's one reason. And if you don't have the money, the home equity line of credit or home equity loans that we do, you can get your money in 5 business days from the time you submit the final documents and click send, right? Um, Maybe you've been charging things on a credit card. Like, for example, maybe you did do the roof, but you put it on a credit card but don't realize, hey, that credit card payment is going to be huge, right? And I've got a bunch of other credit card payments and other debts that I have. And I also need to put up a fence, so I need money for that, right? So we can do a debt consolidation where you can pay some of those cards off or all of those cards off within the new loan and lower your rate from whatever those credit cards are in the 20s down to something more reasonable, one loan, one payment. You probably save yourself a ton of money doing it, okay? Other reasons, maybe your kid got into college but didn't get any financial aid or any student loans. You're short a little bit of money, you can pull it out of your house, okay? Um, Maybe you want to buy another home. Maybe you need to, pull that money out to make a down payment. A lot of times we do this. Let's say we don't want to put our house on the market. We want to make sure that we can go buy a house, have a down payment and closing costs, and then after we move into the house, then we want to put our house on the market, which would be much easier to sell. And your offer would be much better going forward to the new house you want to buy if you didn't have to be contingent on selling your home first. Okay, so there's just a few reasons why you would choose to do it. If you have any questions at all, my number's up top. Please call me. I'm more than happy to help.